Nolly Artico, representing Philippine National Police. Hi, sir. Good evening. Let us now have your hashtag. Again, we request the organizer for the hashtag. Update your hashtag. Ang circle po ay candidate number 2, pick hashtag number 3. Hashtag authority. Again, hashtag authority.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and for our judges. So, authority comes with a great responsibility. So, as a police officer, is one of the one that law enforce the law and control crimes, prevent and maintain the peace and order in the community. And so, the Philippine National Police will make the people and the community peaceful. Dahil sa police, ang gusto namin